Today we're unveiling the magic behind why your chickens lay different colored eggs, and it's not actually what you may think it is. And the first reason that your chickens are going to lay a specific color is actually because it's bred into their genetics. Yes, they're actually going to lay a specific color based on the type of chicken or the type of breed of chicken that you have. For example, Leghorns are usually always going to lay a nice white egg, whereas a Rhode Island Red is always going to be laying a brown egg. So you're always going to know the color that your chicken's going to lay based on the breed of your chicken. Pigmentation is going to be the second reason that your chickens are actually going to lay the specific colors of their eggs. You can think of pigmentation as the painter of the hues of your egg colors. So they're the actual reason that your eggs are going to come out the color that they do. Pigmentations come in two different types. They're going to lay the largest responsibility in your egg color. And I'm going to probably botch up these the way that these are pronounced. So I'll definitely put them up on the screen. But the first one is going to be PROTOPORPHYRIN. This is going to be responsible for your brown eggs. And the second one is called fulverin, which is responsible for your blues and greens within your eggs. These two pigmentations are going to play the largest roles. Now, what's really interesting is when you think about the Easter egger type chickens, these chickens can lay a slew of different egg colors, anywhere from a blue, green to a pink to even purple colored eggs. And this is largely because of the pigmentation that they're born with. So whatever color your Easter egger lays their egg, they're going to start laying that egg throughout the rest of their life. It's not going to change colors, but this is primarily due to the pigmentation that they have within their body. The third reason that chickens are laying different color eggs is most likely due to environment and adaptation. So we're going to assume that a chicken that maybe needs to lay their eggs more out in the open is going to have a colored egg that's going to blend in really well. So think maybe brown eggs on a darker brown area, whereas white eggs in maybe an area that isn't seen as often, so they don't have to worry about having something that's going to camouflage into the background, or they're camouflaging with something white. These are the three main reasons that your chickens are laying colored eggs. And if you're looking for a specific color of egg, we have a lot of videos about different chickens that lay different types of egg colors. I'll link all of those videos down below, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!